ActivInspire's Spotlight tool is a great way to focus students' attention and easily chunk information in your lessons. Let's say we're in a science class, checking out the parts of a prokaryotic cell. This could be a lot for some students to take in all at once. To make it more manageable, I can access the Spotlight tool from the Tools icon on my main toolbar, or go to Tools, Spotlight. Now you will notice there are several options. Let's choose Circular Spotlight. You can move Spotlight by dragging anywhere in the masked area. Use the sizing handles along the edge to resize your Spotlight area, or adjust the shape itself. Finally, access the Spotlight menu at any time to change the type of Spotlight, or even take a snapshot of the highlighted area. Use the menu to close Spotlight. You can now interact with your snapshotted area as you would with any other object.